Today, I will show you how to prepare crispy and golden puff pastry breadsticks, perfect for a quick and irresistible aperitif. Ingredients: a rectangular roll of puff pastry, flour, as much as needed to dust the work surface, 1 egg for brushing, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or grated cheese of your choice for garnishing, fine salt, a pinch. Start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Lay out some flour on the work surface to prevent the puff pastry from sticking. Unroll the puff pastry and cut it into long, thin strips, about 1 centimeter in width. Sprinkle the strips with a bit of grated cheese, such as Parmesan or Pecorino, or opt for sesame or poppy seeds for a crunchy flavor. Twist each strip on itself to give it the typical breadstick shape. Transfer the breadsticks onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper, keeping a little space between each one. Carefully brush the breadsticks with the beaten egg to get a perfect golden color during baking. Sprinkle the breadsticks with a pinch of fine salt. Bake the breadsticks for approximately 10-15 minutes or until they are puffed up and golden. Remove the breadsticks from the oven and let them cool on a wire rack before serving. Remember, it's always useful to subscribe to the channel to not miss any recipe and to stay up to date, and visit our website for more tasty ideas. Puff pastry breadsticks are a perfect example of how a recipe can be simple and elegant at the same time. And I'm sure they will surprise your guests at the next aperitif. Bon appétit!